With only a few months left of the year, it's definitely a time to reflect on how the year has been and set upcoming goals. Hello everyone, I'm currently in a corn maze, just wandering around trying to find my way out. It's actually quite busy. It's a Saturday today and we're about like 30 minutes out of Calgary at like Farmyard. I'm pretty sure I've been here before, but the reason why we're here is because we want to pick out a few pumpkins, maybe carve them or paint them. We haven't decided yet. I don't think this is a path. Ah, dizzy. Okay. Tell me when. I'm gonna open. Go, where the frick are you? I'm on my own, trying to look for him. It can't be that hard. Okay, this might be a lot harder. I actually can't find him. I cannot see. Oh man. Okay, so we're both lost, cannot find each other. So I'm gonna try to retrace my steps here. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. Clearly this is not my idea, but now we are both lost. Okay, we are sharing live locations to find each other now. I think I'm close. Hi, babe. Great idea, babe. Great. After the corn maze adventure, we decided to check out the animals that are at the farm, and it was really cute because we were able to feed a lot of them as well. There were actually a lot of activities for kids here. There's a lot of games, there's even a pony ride and playground for them as well. So if you have kids and want to go as a family, this is definitely a great spot to check out. Stardew Valley. Besides the corn maze, this was probably the highlight for me. I think alpacas are so cute, and these ones were a lot larger than I anticipated, but here I am giving them some extra food because they're just so cute. Last but not least, we are picking up our pumpkins. They had so many pumpkins to choose from, and honestly, it was a bit overwhelming trying to find the perfect pumpkin. So we definitely took our time here. Found a really cute mini one for Juno. Hello guys, I just filmed my Korea haul video. Really excited to finally try the products because I had them sitting there for a bit and I wanted to film the haul before I unboxed everything. We're going to a 100-day celebration soon. Just wearing all black because it's just easy. And it snowed today, so I'm feeling kind of like, ugh. Yesterday, we went to a pumpkin patch and picked up 3 pumpkins. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. This is gonna be Juno's. Honestly, her pumpkin is the most perfect one that we found. It's so beautiful, but we're actually going to paint these instead of carving it because I think carving is just a lot of work and painting's pretty fun. So we are gonna do that probably tomorrow. Also getting into the season of fall and Halloween, we stopped at Michael's to look at some decor pieces and picked out this beautiful wreath. So it is finally time to paint our pumpkins. This is what I have. I am obviously gonna paint Hello Kitty. Lately, I've been finding myself doing a lot more creative projects and activities that really heals my soul. Sometimes we get caught in the hamster wheel of just work, and I'm starting to realize that having a bit more balance just makes life a little bit more enjoyable. With my pumpkin, the white was not the easiest to work with, but that's okay. I think from afar it looks pretty good. And then this is Juno's. Decided to do a cute little strawberry since it's such a small pumpkin. And then we have this cute little ghost. This is the largest pumpkin. This is the largest pumpkin. Just wanted to pop on here and say happy Thanksgiving, Canadian Thanksgiving. yeah, just so grateful for this year, even though I feel like I complain that it's going by too fast. I really have to embrace the fact that it's been a pretty amazing, fruitful year. So much travel, so many amazing memories with all of my friends. Honestly, with how amazing this year has been and all the loved ones, family, friends that have really made it extra special this year, I am forever grateful. It makes me a little bit more excited for what's to come next year. I am a bit more of a pessimist, but I'm really trying to change that and just be really thankful for how life has turned out. The journey wasn't very smooth, but I think really learning to love myself and put myself first, I'm starting to be on the right path and finding a lot more happiness this way. I also want to say I am so grateful for all of you guys who watch my videos. YouTube has always been such a creative outlet for me, and it is so great to be able to document bits of my life that I want to share on this channel. I find so much peace in watching similar content, so I hope you guys feel the same way as well. Juno's healthy, so all in all, it is a win. But I think I am just gonna chill for the rest of Thanksgiving. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I'm just going to edit, and yeah.